And hello guys, we're back again with our setup and plan. And this is GU, and it's very simple. You can clearly see that the market was moving down, external market structure. Then you had a shift to the upside. So if you see this, we had our breakout structure to the downside, and then had our breakout structure to the upside. That means the market shifted back to the uptrend, right? Then you had our continuation to the upside. Then we have our external order block, which is here. Our external order block. Also have this order block, you can see it. Have this order block. Also have this order block here. And also have this order block here. So this price action is very simple. You have to wait for the price to come back to this area, either this order block, either this or this. Then we get our confirmation. Then we get that continuation to the upside. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, if this price come from this side and disrespect this order block, then we just wait for the break and retest, then a continuation. That's it for GU, and this is EU now. First and foremost, I go to H1 for my external market structure, and clearly you can see the market was moving down. You can see it. Then you got a shift from here. Then internal structure continuation. So everything is very simple. We just have to be more clinical. External, matching the external structure to the internal structure. And then you had our breakout structure to the downside. Then you had our shift to the upside. So here we had our breakout structure to the upside. Then you had the shift to the downside. Then you had a continuation to the upside. This was not a valid pullback, but this one was a valid one. Breakout structure to the upside. So we have our order block here, a bullish order block. Although if the price, this is a valid pullback, that if the price comes here, then you have our breakout structure to the upside, then you can easily get our order block around here without waiting for the price to come back this side. But right now our valid order block is this one, and also this one. For now, this is the valid order block, these two. So same thing, just waiting for the price to come back here, then continue scenario number one, scenario number 2 from this order block, and then scenario number 2 theory, if the price comes back here and breaks here, then you can gonna have our break of structure to the upside. Then this automatically become our order block. Then you're gonna wait for the price to come back here and then continue up. Or if you get that break, just wait for the break, then retest, then a continuation to the downside. Then gold also super simple. We had our break of structure to the upside, then our break of structure to the upside, which is this one. That clean order block, although we have liquidity pool just below here. And also have this order block, but it's not yet valid because of this liquidity to the downside. Then you have GBP. I had to take this trade, but I couldn't because of the bank holidays, but it's fine. Then our order block here. Change of character after breaking this last supply. This was not a valid pullback. It was. No, it was not. Then you had our another valid. Not for the pullback, then a continuation, scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2, if the price disrespect this order block, then you're gonna wait for the break, then a retest, then a continuation. Just a reversal to the downside. Then break of structure to the upside. Then here you didn't have a valid pullback on external structure. Then you have to go to internal structure. For internal structure, the price action was more clean. That's why I always want to match the internal and external structure. Then a continuation, break of structure. change of character to the upside. Continuation to the downside, break of structure, internal structure, liquidity swept, continuation, break of structure. Then we got our shift from here right now, and then you have our sometimes you need to zoom in to find that. That's more of a valid one. It was not broken. It's 30 minutes and we see what really I'm trying to, yeah. It was not yet disrespected. Sure, now it's going to be disrespected. That means this is change of character to the upside. Then now, this is very, very simple. We just need to wait for the price to come back here. Then continue up. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, if you look closely, we have our extreme order block, which is down here. Extreme order block. Then we can easily wait. If we don't get confirmation from here, we can easily wait for the tap, then a continuation. That's scenario number two. Then scenario number three, we can easily, if the price still you don't get our confirmation, our buy confirmation here, then you're gonna wait for the break and a retest, then a continuation, then a reversal to the downside. That's it, guys, and